Let's quickly look at an example where you wouldn't want to return an exact match. In all of the examples up to this point, we've always put that false at the end of a VLOOKUP or an HLOOKUP, or that 0 for an exact match in our index and match function. But there might be an instance where you would want an approximate match. So here we have a pricing list. If our customers order more quantity of our product, the price goes down. So if they order 1 to 9 items, we charge them $100. If they order 10 to 49 units, they get a $95 price, and so on. So what we want to do is look up the price based on a quantity that we input into this peach cell right there. So we'll type equals VLOOKUP. The lookup value is going to be this A10 cell. And then the table array, we'll select our actual table. In other examples, I've been selecting the columns, but because I have this lookup in column B, we'll just stick to the actual table right there. Press a comma, and the column index number is going to be number 2 because we want to return a price. And then for our range lookup, we could leave that blank or we could type true. What this approximate match is doing is it's looking at this quantity right here, and it's going to go through this list starting at the top, and it's going to look for a value that is above our lookup value, and then it's going to return the price in the row before it. So for example, with this 999, it's going through our data until it reaches a number that exceeds 999. It sees this 1,000 and then goes up one row and returns a 70. If we type a 1 in here, it's obviously going to be returning a 100 because that's the first number that we have in our table. But anything else is going to follow that rule. Also, if we type anything above 1,000, it's going to return the 60 because that's the last value in our table. So this is just one example of where an approximate match might make sense for the data set that you have.